Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Budget Buying. In today's video, we're exploring the best portable mini PC you should know about. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the ZX PC. Let's get started. Product feature: powerful processing. Experience smooth performance with AMD Ryzen R7 and R5 processors, delivering impressive CPU mark ratings that ensure you have the power you need for any task. Massive memory. Support for up to 64 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM across dual SO-DIMM slots means you can multitask like a pro without any annoying slowdowns or lag. Advanced cooling. A newly designed module with all copper fins and double copper tubes keeps things cool and quiet even when you are working hard. High-speed storage. With support for PCIe 3.0x4 M.2 2280 NVMe SSDs, you will enjoy lightning-fast boot times and quick access to all your important files. Expandable options. Need more space? You can easily add an extra M.2 NVMe or SATA SSD, plus a 2.5-inch SATA hard drive for all your photos and videos. Compact design. Its small, fashionable form factor fits perfectly on any desk or in a bag, blending style with incredible portability for life on the go. Energy efficiency. This system is built to perform at its best while remaining energy efficient, giving you a powerful experience that is kinder to your environment. Pros: you will love how much power is packed into such a tiny, stylish frame. It is perfect for reclaiming your desk space without sacrificing the speed you need for daily work. The cooling system is a real lifesaver, keeping the noise down so you can focus on what matters most. Plus, having the ability to upgrade your RAM and storage means this little machine can grow with you over time. Cons: while the storage options are great, you will need to open the case to install extra drives, which might feel a bit technical for some. Also, while it handles most tasks with ease, it is not designed for heavy AAA gaming at the highest settings. However, for everyday use and creative projects, it is a fantastic companion. Final thoughts. Imagine a workspace that feels open and clutter-free, where your computer just works beautifully every time you turn it on. That is the peace of mind this device brings to your life. It is more than just a piece of hardware. It is a reliable tool that supports your dreams and keeps you connected. You deserve a setup that empowers you, and this compact powerhouse is ready to do exactly that. Ready to transform your desk? Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Budget Buying and like this video for more helpful tech guides. See you in the next one.